Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Friday, the 24th of January. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals, right? Okay, let's have a look. Now, yesterday, I was looking at the Bitcoin weekly chart where we've got RSI 5 sell signals bringing across the board, and that could deliver something in time. We've also got an RSI 14 sell signal already fixed on the daily chart, and I was mentioning this in my post yesterday. Let's have a look at these signals over time. Okay, this one here made the full target. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 past RSI 14 sell signals. Do they make target? This one here made the full target. This one here made the full target, this one here made the full target, and this one made the possible near miss target, and so did this one. So we've got 5 of them. They all made at least the possible near miss target, and 3 of those made the full target. In terms of the RSI 5 sell signals, and we've just had one of those fixed too. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this one made the full target, this one made the full target, this one made the possible near miss target, this one made the full target, this one made the full target, this one made the full target, and this one made the possible near miss target. Although actually, if you take a slightly longer view, that made the full target too. So I'm really calling that as probably, well, I don't know, really that's 5 made it fairly directly, the target, and one of them two of them made the possible near miss target. This is a very, very strong track record. I gotta say, it really is. So how much does it matter that we've got sell signals fixed here in terms of seeing a retracement soon? Historically, a lot. Every single one of these was within the current bull market. So actually, yeah, I'm taking that pretty seriously. So it doesn't mean they'll necessarily make target. No, nothing ever definitely happens. But nonetheless, it's pretty strong. So I am taking that very seriously. On the hourly chart, not really a lot to see at the moment. We've got this head and shoulders here. Now, it could be that we're actually forming an alternate head and shoulders here, and that would look like. Hang on, wait a second. A moment. That would look like this. In no way inferior, and with a right shoulder high, it would be slightly closer to this one here. So keeping an open mind on this, but it wouldn't surprise. It wouldn't. I was thinking we might well just react straight back up to the high, but we didn't do that yesterday. It's still consolidating. I'm still wondering about this as a head and shoulder option. So looking at the Solana chart, on the daily chart, no current divergence. We're not going to get any until we see a retest of these highs. When we see that, we will have possible RSI 14 and RSI 5 sell signals burning. Hourly chart, not a lot to see at the moment. 15-minute chart. Is this triangle? Maybe. Keeping an open mind on it. But yeah, it could be a triangle. Would it be bullish or bearish at the moment? I don't know. Keeping an open mind on that too. But I am thinking we've got more downside coming. And we have, of course, still got an RSI 14 sell signal fixed here. But this one has come pretty close to the possible near miss target. And I think I'm going to call that as a near miss so far. So that just leaves us with the Bitcoin ones. But on here, we've seen hardly any move up from the low. And we've still got a valid head and shoulders here that won't be invalidated until we get over 37, 45, 42. This has got a target of 2100. Don't need to make 2100, but I've got to say, 2100 is a big support level area. On the hourly chart, no current divergence, but you can see we've got this very nice looking bull flag. It hasn't broken up yet. If it does break up, then a break up from there would deliver a target of 4109.05. A break up over 37.45.42, which would invalidate the head and shoulders and deliver a separate target back up 4109.05. There is a path higher, and it's not a bad one. But obviously it actually needs to put in the work to get over it. And at the moment, we're still, daily middle band is at 3337, and we are marginally over it here. Without really a close over it yet. So we are trying to break over the daily middle band, but at the moment this has been way slower off the lows. And I'm a little skeptical about this, so we shall see. All right, great. No questions today, so I think that's a wrap. Everyone have a great weekend, and I'm planning to have one too. Well, I'll be working most of it, but it's a different kind of work with at a different pace. All right, cheers, guys. Have a great weekend.